Hello, I welcome you to a new update on Bitcoin. Regarding Bitcoin, I primarily still assume that the price has developed a wave 4 here, and we are now moving down into a final wave 5, and before a stronger recovery should occur. For me, the price targets are approximately $70,600 as a possible target for this wave 5. It is only important that we do not fall below $69,650, as otherwise the bull market is indeed at risk. Since Bitcoin has managed to establish a double bottom here, I would still like to give the price the possibility of a direct increase. In this case, it would be that we would have already found a bottom here at $74,377, and we would have moved into a larger wave A in an A, B, and C formation, and we have now moved down into a wave B. This would also fit because wave B is always formed in 3 parts. And now, in an upward movement, we go into a wave C, where a price target could be around $88,136. This is not a binding target where one would say the price must hit exactly just like down here, but rather consider it more like a magnet ohm that the price feels attracted to. But it is quite possible that it might turn around a bit earlier or even go a little further up. Overall, in the next upward movement, whether it happens now or only after our low, the price range of approximately $89,000 will be very, very important, because it is a significant resistance that Bitcoin has repeatedly approached in recent weeks and months. And it would be important for us to surpass this level during the rise, turning this resistance into support, because then I can foresee sustainably rising prices for Bitcoin. Yes, that should be the update for today. If you like such analyses and would like analyses on other coins, then take a look in the video description below or in the pinned comment, as I provide regular updates on various prices. Maybe there's something suitable for you. Feel free to check it out.